One of the topics I'll be talking about today is accents. As you can tell, I'm kind of speaking in an Irish accent.
Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
Guten Tag, everyone. The Bobbelai here with IronCross Racing. And today I'm coming at you on a nice Saturday afternoon in the Texas Hill Country. One of the topics I'll be talking about today is accents. As you can tell, I'm kind of speaking in an Irish accent. It's about the only one I could do. It's relatively easy to learn. You just have to ask everything like it's a fucking question. Some inflection at the end. So every time you answer somebody, you're always asking like, are you asking a question or are you just responding to an answer? Anyway, see how long I can keep this up. If you didn't already know, Bly actually comes from Galway. It's actually an Irish surname. One of my ancestors, great-great-great-grandfather, was actually from Galway. And his name was Bly. For the longest time, I only thought I had Scottish in me. But then I look into some old documentation that my ma left when she passed away. I found some ancestry information. I've actually been to Ireland a couple times. It's a beautiful country. Green rolling hills, tons of sheep, cows, lots of castles. You can't throw a stone more than 2 feet without hitting a bloody castle. You have so many ruins and so many castles out there, you get kind of bored of them. But it's a grand country, except for they drive on the bloody wrong side of the road. And what's with all the roundabouts? Can't they have a four-way stop for fuck's sakes? It's like they can't stop, they just gotta keep rolling. So they gotta have these intersections that are all circly. They're not too bad to figure out if you know what you're doing, but trying to do them from the opposite end. Oh, nice turn signal, you fucking... Anyways, the hard part is trying to figure them out in reverse. Where you enter, where you exit, what lane you need to be in. Not too bad. The things I do for my fans can boggle the mind. Oh, I like this corner. It's nice and sharp. Some of my favorite little roads, just right out to the backside of my house. Within like 2 seconds, I'm in a Texas Hill Country. And as you can see, nothing but oak trees from as far as you can see. Rolling hills of oak trees. They're really big out here, the oak trees, you know. Now I'm not doing North Dakota accent, don't you know? Gotta stay on point. Don't want to lose my Irishness. Some people think St. Patrick's Day is the only day you can be Irish, but that's not the case. One thing I gotta work on is my Scottish accent. Scottish accent! They got to be yelling at ya! There's no inflection at the end. You just gotta be yelling like you're really pissed off. Kind of like speaking German. Now I'm sounding like Stimpy. Ren and Stimpy. Stimpy, you idiot. You bloated sack of protoplasm. Anyway, go back to talking Irish. Don't have to yell as much. You get all excited. Wee bit of leprechauns everywhere. What if they have Texas leprechauns? They've got little cowboy hats. Cute wee little fairy folk. Again, I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and press the like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And please, make sure to hit the bell notification as I release a new video once a week. Again, this is Bly with IronCross Racing. I'll talk to you later, folks. Peace.